How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to your favorite crypto trading channel, where today we're obviously going to do the same old market recap, but I do have a few pieces of news for you all and some interesting information. For example, this energy consumption chart comparing Ethereum's proof of stake, which happened after this merge right now, to other forms of internet marketing or mining or whatever you're doing, such as YouTube, for example. Gold mining, literal gold mining, spends less energy than YouTube does. How crazy is that? How many servers does YouTube have around the world? It is absolutely unbelievable. Bitcoin proof of work, Ethereum proof of work, Netflix right here, gaming industry, PayPal doesn't really use a lot, but Ethereum just trumps everything. So this is the power of proof of stake, and this is why blockchain technology has a place secured in the future. Now, if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something new, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel down below. If you think I give you some cool info occasionally, I think I do. And that's why I'm going to give you another little prediction for the market right now. But one thing you got to realize is I don't as I say prediction, I don't try to predict the market. I'm just reacting to what the market is giving us. But I feel like you guys like a cheeky prediction here and there, just to see what my view is on the market, where it's going to move in the near future, and what are the potential options, right? So currently what we can see is the price fell quite a lot after news came out of, the US CPI. Inflation was high, which means that these rate hikes are actually not really doing anything. So then the market just fell down. But in general, currently we're consolidating right now. We still have a large zone of support down here that we need to break below if we want to continue down towards the 10K level. Now, in case that this is a bottom forming on Bitcoin, we could keep moving up, but it doesn't really seem like it, because we're not showing any type of divergence. We're not showing any type of legitimate double bottom formation. It's not enough pressure from the downside to push the market up. For example, if you want to see a nice reversal pattern, it would be something along the lines of this, right? So you need a huge push whenever this zone is reached, and right here we never really saw a huge push. We just saw price consolidate, and bears are just taking over every single day. So what I think is going to happen is we're going to form another mini correction pattern right here, break below, and as soon as we see a candle below this 19K level right here, prices can continue down into the 10K mark eventually. So why 10K? Because we have a fat zone of support down there, and it does make perfect sense. And for Bitcoin, that's basically the situation. Now you can go ahead and go into the lower time frames and notice that price is sort of slowing down with its bearish momentum after this news. We are probably ripe for a correction towards the upside, but as soon as we move up, we're going to reach the fib levels or something, and then potentially price will just continue moving down. So it's normal after every action to have a reaction. So after every move in the market that is this abrupt, right, as you can see right here, it is likely that we do see a correction. But also after a bearish move like this, it's also likely to continue moving bearish furthermore. So that's it for Bitcoin itself. Now Ethereum, I did show you this energy consumption chart, and generally Ethereum, I don't really know what's going on right here, okay? So looking at it from a completely unbiased sort of perspective, it does look kind of bullish, right? I'm not gonna lie to you, we are creating some sort of a pattern, but this head and shoulders isn't valid. Now let me tell you why. Because we aren't able to draw a proper neckline, right? The neckline has to be perfect. If you have a head and shoulders pattern, the neckline has to have at least 3 touches so it can be considered a legitimate neckline. Now, this neckline right here does not have 3 touches. It barely has 2. So we're not going to consider that option. We're going to remove this. We're going to realize that we have a zone of support right here, clean candles towards the left. And if a candle on the 4-hour or daily time frame closes below this area right here, price is very likely to keep moving down into the $1,000 mark. Now, on the other hand, if we do find some significant support around this area, then prices could be pushed up, but it is more likely to keep moving down regardless of the merge news and all of this stuff happening, because very simply, rate hikes are still going strong. The S&P 500 as well broke out from this correction pattern that I did name to you last week, and let me just show you how that looks. Basically, we have the S&P 500 that is currently moving in a downtrend. We had a beautiful correction pattern form, and right now we had a strong daily close right below this level. So it is very likely that we do continue down when it comes to the entire market. Now, that's it for today's video. You got to be careful, and what I would advise you do is wait for the market to open on Monday, see what's going to happen. If you do see prices moving up quite drastically, it is most probably a correction, and perhaps you should look into taking some short positions. But what I would do is I would wait for a additional confirmation, which is this candle close below this area. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you did, and drop a comment down below which coin you would like me to review for the next video. I think that would be a pretty cool idea, and if you do too, then just drop a comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed it. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own due diligence before investing into anything in the crypto world. And I will see you all in the next one.